Okay, so this will be another tutorial for the exponential search illustration. So we'll begin to do this step-by-step presentation. Suppose that we do have here a specific array in our elements. In our elements, we do have a specific element in our array rather, let me correct. So this will be a, how many element are they? Zero, two, three, four, five, six, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So you need to ensure that your um that is 16. So right now, since this is 16, we'll begin to deal with this accordingly. So suppose that we will begin to put another here, 85. I give you, okay. So this is 16 right now. 17 element. Now, in this case, you'll begin to search 63. Now, in your first step, as you will begin to deal with this one, you have to search in your step one. Okay, my, what do you call this one? Pen is not working anymore. Let me charge it for a while. Okay, now, what you will begin to do right now in your step one, you have to check the index 0, then next one, then times it 2. Okay. So for checking this right now, step one. Okay, for the step one, you have to begin with a check 0, whereas your 0 is 1. So is it equals to 63? No. So since that is not, you have to proceed with the next step two. So in your step two, what you will need to do right now here, check again, 1. And what is the 1? That is 3. This 3, is it equals to the 63? No, still. Okay. So since you were able to have already, we are already in the step, what do you call this one? In step one, you have to, um, we will be going to step by step the process here then. So for this one right now, step 3, check 2 times 1. 1 times 2 is equals to 2. And what is the 2 right now? That is 5. So I have to compare 5 is at 6 equals to the 63. No. For this one right now, step 4, we will begin to check as well. 2 times 2 is equals to 4. 4, what is the 4? It is 11. So does 11, is it equals to 63? That is no. So continue the process. Step 5. Check 4 times 2 is equals to 8. What is the index 8? That is 36. I'm sorry, let me write it clearly. 36, is it equals to 63? No, still. So you have to proceed with the step 6. For the steps, step 6, you will begin to go ahead and make sure to check as well. Times 2 for 8, that is 16. 16. Okay, what is 16 right now? And that is 85. Is it equals to 63? No. So what you will be going to do right now, since your element is at the middle of 8 and 16, so what you will need to do, you have to perform a binary search. How to perform a binary search? In your step 7, you'll be going to declare I High is 16, low is 8. Therefore, in your binary search, we're able to um, indicate the formula for that one is low um, plus your high and then divided by into 2, right? So the high is, low is 8 plus 16. So if you're going to calculate that one, 8 plus 16, that is 24 divided by 2. 24 divided by 2, that is 12. So we'll check right now. That's 12. Um, 12 is having 61. So is it equals to 63? No. So therefore, step 7, 8. Another high is retained to 16, but your low, I plus 1. Since I plus 1, your low earlier is 8. So I plus 1 for that one, for this 12. 12 is your I. So 12 plus 1 equals 13. Okay. So what you will be going to do right now, you will be going to make sure here 13 plus, sorry, um, 1 second, 13 plus 16 divided by 2. So 13 plus 16, that is 29. 29 divided by 2, I'm not really certain. Let me grab a calculator and my answer to make sure. Okay, 1 second. 30 minutes. Because I need to make sure that I'm not misinforming you for everything that we're dealing right now. 29 divided by 2, that is 14.5. Okay. 14.5. So what is the 14? So your 14 right now is 76. 76, is it equals to 63? No. So therefore, step 9, since your I right now is 76 and it is greater than to the target. So what you will need to do, you have to I minus 1 per down. So your low will remain as 13, but your high will I minus 1. High is 14, so it will become 13, diba? Because eventually, you're at 14 right now. So once your target, if your I rate now, if it is greater than the target, so you have to deal with the I minus 1. So what will happen? 13 plus 13 divided by 2, that will become 0 divided 2. I mean 26, just yeah, subtraction, it's addition. What a mess. So that is 26. 26 divided 2, that is 13. So what is 13? 13 is 63. So right now, 63, is it equals to 63? Yes. So therefore, you can definitely put here 63 is found at index 13. So this is how you will deal with the um exponential search. This is really basic. If you cannot find that specific element, you will do something. Okay. Let me go ahead and I will be going to go ahead and show you as well later on how does it what will be the other search algorithms you in there.